Hi, welcome to GMB Solutions. So in this video we will discuss about how you can read the review and reply to the review. So what we have to do, you have to open your GMB profile. You can definitely open it via the Google My Business. You have to type here Google My Business. You will see the business list. Click on the view profile. Now click on the read review. So once the review will be there, you can get all the review here. Just I'm opening it on my personal company profile. So as you can see here, like when you click on the read reviews, so all the reviews will be there that will be posted on that was posted on your GMB profile. So you can see here, and you can also reply the review. Okay, and from that way you can reply the review. When you click on the reply to review, so the option will be there, and just you can type something and click on the reply. So from the under the read reviews, we can manage all the reviews.